Well, I was always attracted to it ever since I was little. I saw the movie Christine and I wanted to try to rebuild my own vehicle. In my early 20s, I was actually a secretary. I'd take my car and I'd say, I want to do this so bad. And the manager, oh, you know what? You don't want to do that. You don't want to mess your nails up. Stick with what you're doing. You're a good secretary. And the opportunity came to go back to school to be an auto mechanic. Started out at a couple of dealerships. Next thing you know, my sister, she was a bus driver. She said, Port Authority, they're getting ready to start hiring. I started as a B repair person. I did mainly brakes, airbags, so the hard labor part of it. Then I decided if I wanted to move around, I probably should look into getting my AC certification. And upon passing the tactile, the engine rebuilder position opened up. It's rewarding because every day you're doing something and you're putting your hands to something and seeing how something that might be broken or needs repaired by your hands, that it comes together. It is still a male-dominated area, but once you get that skill, you can do anything you want. I was always encouraged by everyone that I worked around, so I would advise the girls to just, this is what you want to do. Don't let anything stop you.